Okay, no problem. Okay, so we continue then with our class, as we said, today's Kitzur Shulchan Aruch class, and we start. Last time we started laws pertaining to the cleanliness. So just so we're in Halachah number 5, page 33, and just a summary. So we're not allowed to pray or say blessings in a place that is not clean. It is not clean, right? So we continue with Halachah 5, but if you're interested, you let me know after the class. I can send you the classes, whatever we said before. So for now, we continue with CF5. Okay, so okay, so number 5. The excrement of a very young child, which is not yet malodorous, is not included in prohibition. So we said that if there is excrement in the room, so you have to move away, right? So do not stay close to it. Okay, so if it's very young child that does not smell, so it's not included. Okay, let's see. When an infant reaches the age when other infants of that age are capable of eating kizayis, one of the 5 species of grain, even if only in a cooked dish. Okay, so let's see. So basically, it's some. So when these children can eat this misoinous grains, one of the 5 species, so it means they already grow up. So it's not only mother milk; it's all of this bread, right? Bread. So 25. It says Shulchan Aruch 76:7. When one is unsure if there is standing urine in a room, no, I apologize, wrong. An olive-sized portion, 0.6 and 1.9 fluid ounces. Okay, so basically we go today. We go by approximately 1 ounce. Right, so most of the poskim today say that it's 1 ounce is a kizayis. So kizayis, as we said before, it's translated as olive bulk, but olive, as we said before, the olives in the time of the Talmud were much bigger than the olives today. So today 1 olive does not weigh 1 ounce, even the biggest of them. Okay, so kizayis is a let's say one fluid ounces, or what is it, like 28-30 grams. Okay, so 1 second, 26. So and they say what is these 5 species? They say wheat, barley, rye, oats, and spelt. Okay, those 5 species on which we say baremine misoinus, blessing when we want to eat. In the same time frame, so 1 second. So we're talking about the infant that is capable to eat in kizayis, one of the 5 species, even only if cooked dish. So it's not a bread, but let's say it's some pasta, right? In the time frame that adult could eat half loaf of bread. So this half loaf of bread terminology is what considered to be the act of eating, and we're going to learn that a person, in order to say bracha, he has to eat the food in this period of time, right? Half loaf of bread, 27. This refers to half of the standard loaf in the times of our Mishnah, which would suffice for 2 meals. Okay, since the half of loaf is the amount eaten at 1 meal. Okay, right. So continue. Opinions regarding the length of the time is ranging from 2 to 9 minutes. Any eating that takes longer is not considered to be continuous eating, but 2 separate acts. See Mishnah Brura. So basically, it's actually in everything. So we learned in our Shabbos class that, for example, if you drink Kiddush wine, so you have to finish in this period of time frame, right? From 2 to 9 minutes. So just remember that. So 9 is very, very lenient. So we're trying to finish eating whatever eat quicker than that. Preferable time frame is 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so if this baby, so basically, if this baby can eat the kizayis of this mizoines in 2 to 9 minutes, continue, in the Sefer Migdal Oz by Hagaon Yaakov Emden Ben Tzvi, may his memory be blessed, it is written that in this stage is reached when the child becomes 1 year old. Okay, so they give us time frame. One must distance himself when engaging in sacred matters from the child excrement and from urine. So basically they say that at 1 year old, his excrement starts smelling. Okay, that's what it is, and we have to distance from that excrement. However, however, it is a good and worthy practice to distance oneself from the excrement of 8-day-old infant. So, so what Kitzur is saying, so Halachah is, so let's say the approximately 1 year old, but preferably, so if you can, if it's not too hard for you, so it's better to go by like from after 8 year old. So just stay away from this excrement. Okay.